Chief Cleveland Police saying that this is personal and that this is traumatizing. The fact that there is this man by the name of Steve Stevens who has uploaded video to his Facebook page of him murdering a man by the name of Robert Godwin, 74 years of age. This is someone on Easter Sunday who was just heading home after spending Easter with his family, and police say they believe he was just randomly targeted and killed. And the fact that they are looking for this man in multiple states now, and it sounds like they have traced his cell phone up to a point, and people who he has talked to, police are talking to, and that they're being cooperative. But what now? Bob Bianchi is with me, the former head prosecutor and chief law enforcement officer from Morris County, New Jersey, is a criminal defense attorney. You've been working in this sort of space for nearly, you were saying, 3 decades. There's the piece of it that no one can even begin to comprehend why someone would murder someone and upload it onto Facebook, A, but B, how far can he get?
Let's go to the first piece. I mean, in 28 years of doing homicide work in particular as an assistant prosecutor, as a defense lawyer, we all comment in our world that the kind of murders and then the desire to put it forward on social media, which is actually good for us to get the attention, is becoming a very sick and twisted cultural thing that's happening. And these people who are on the borderline, marginal there, the ones who feel that they don't have significance, they're not empowered, feel that this is their moment of glory. Let me throw it on there, be damned the consequences. We're seeing that more and more, and the murders that we're seeing are more senseless, callous, and twisted this way. Now, as far as hunting down a person, they always use the expression, you can run, but you cannot hide. It's really very, very difficult in today's world. I was a little surprised, we were talking about this offset a little bit, that they were giving so much information. When I was giving information to the press, I kept very close to the vest with the law enforcement things that were being done. But of course, electronic monitoring, telephones, these things are very, very powerful. Computers, and with a guy who wants to be on social media, sometimes it's hard for them to get off those things.
Is it possible, and I hope the answer to this question is going to be yes, but he has apparently said, he's claimed on Facebook that he's committed multiple homicides, but police say they have no knowledge that there are other victims, no proof, no evidence. Is it possible he's lying?
Yes, it's possible he's puffing, who knows, but they will take DNA from him eventually when they get him. They will go through cold case murder cases where he may have been in the vicinity. What they're going to do is triangulate his workspace, his living space, where he's moved, where he's been, where his friends are. The cops are going to do an incredible timeline on this individual, and then they're going to look in those areas to see if there's been any unsolved homicides and to see if this part. Of course, don't underestimate the fact that when he gets caught, which is another thing that we see that's developed in 30 years, people love to tell you that they did these things. So he very well may confess and be proud of what it is that he did.
The award for his arrest, $50,000. Bob Bianchi, thank you so much. I can't wait to report the news that they got him. Thank you.
You got it.